Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Learner Podcast.
Hi, everybody. We're so happy you're here practicing English with us today.
My name is Anna.
And I'm Tom.
If you enjoy learning practical English for real life, don't forget to subscribe to English Learner Podcast.
Yes, subscribe now and improve your English step by step with us every week.
Today, we're talking about English in daily life.
And our focus is shopping conversations in English.
Shopping is something we all do almost every week.
Sometimes every day if you really love snacks.
Yes, especially when chocolate is on sale.
But speaking English in a shop can feel stressful.
Especially when there are many people waiting behind you.
Don't worry, we will practice simple and useful sentences.
Let's start with entering a store.
The shop assistant says, "Can I help you?"
You can answer, "I'm just looking, thank you."
Repeat after us. "I'm just looking, thank you."
Very good.
Now imagine you need something specific.
You can say, "I'm looking for a pair of shoes."
Or, "I'm looking for a birthday gift."
Let's practice that.
"I'm looking for a birthday gift."
Good job.
Now let's talk about sizes.
In clothing stores, size is very important.
You can ask, "Do you have this in a medium?"
Or, "Do you have this in a larger size?"
Repeat after me. "Do you have this in a different size?"
Excellent.
Sometimes you want to try something on.
You can ask, "Can I try this on?"
Or, "Where is the fitting room?"
That sentence is very useful.
Now let's do a mini role play.
Excuse me, can I try this on?
Yes, the fitting room is over there.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Simple and polite.
Now let's talk about price.
You can ask, "How much is this?"
Or, "How much does this cost?"
If the price is too high, you can say, "That's a bit expensive."
Or, "Do you have something cheaper?"
Always say it politely.
Politeness makes communication easier.
Now imagine you're at the supermarket.
You can't find the rice.
You can ask, "Excuse me, where can I find the rice?"
Or, "Which aisle is the milk in?"
Repeat after us. Which aisle is the milk in?
Great job.
Now let's talk about paying.
At the cashier, they may ask, "Cash or card?"
You can answer, "By card, please."
Or, "I'll pay in cash."
Sometimes they ask, "Do you need a bag?"
You can say, "Yes, please."
Or, "No, thank you. I have my own bag."
That's very useful in supermarkets.
Another common question is about receipts.
They may ask, "Would you like a receipt?"
You can say, "Yes, please."
Or, "No, that's okay."
Now let's practice a longer role play.
"Hello, can I help you?"
Yes, I'm looking for a white shirt.
"What size do you need?"
Medium, please.
"Here you are."
Thank you. Can I try it on?
"Of course. The fitting room is over there."
After trying it, you can say, "I'll take it."
Or, "I'm sorry, I'll think about it."
That sentence is useful if you don't want to buy.
Yes, it's polite and honest.
Another tip is to speak slowly and clearly.
Don't rush, even if there are people behind you.
Take a small breath before speaking.
And remember, shop assistants are used to helping people.
They won't laugh at your English.
They just want to help you.
Let's do one more activity.
Think of 3 sentences you can use when shopping.
Say them out loud now.
Practice makes you more confident.
Next time you go shopping, try at least one English sentence.
Even one sentence is a big step.
Daily life is the best classroom.
And shopping is a great place to practice real English.
Now let's talk about problems that can happen while shopping.
Yes, because not everything is perfect in stores.
Sometimes the size is wrong.
Or the item is damaged.
Or maybe you change your mind after buying it.
Don't worry, we will learn how to speak politely in these situations.
Let's start with the wrong size problem.
You bought a shirt, but it's too small.
You can say, "Excuse me, I'd like to exchange this."
Or, "This size is too small. Do you have a larger one?"
Repeat after us. "I'd like to exchange this."
Very good.
Now imagine the item is damaged.
You can say, "I'm sorry, but this is damaged."
Or, "There's a problem with this item."
Always use a calm and polite tone.
Politeness is very important when complaining.
Now let's practice a short role play.
"Excuse me, I bought this yesterday.
Yes, how can I help you?
There's a small hole in this shirt."
I'm sorry about that. Would you like a refund or an exchange?
See how simple that conversation is?
Yes, clear and polite communication works best.
Now let's talk about refunds.
Refund means getting your money back.
You can say, I'd like a refund, please.
Or, can I return this item?
Repeat after me. Can I return this item?
Excellent.
Sometimes stores ask for the receipt.
They may say, do you have the receipt?
You can answer, yes, here it is.
Or, I'm sorry, I don't have the receipt.
Another situation is when something is too expensive.
You can ask, is there any discount?
Or, is this the final price?
Let's practice that.
Is this the final price?
Very good.
Sometimes an item is out of stock.
That means the store doesn't have it.
You can ask, when will it be available again?
Or, do you have something similar?
That's very useful in daily life.
Now imagine you're at a supermarket and something scans at the wrong price.
You can say, excuse me, I think this price is incorrect.
Or, the price on the shelf was different.
Always stay calm and respectful.
Being angry will not help the situation.
Let's do a quick practice activity.
I will say a problem and you think of a sentence.
Ready?
The shoes are too big.
You can say, these are too big. Can I try a smaller size?
Good job.
Next problem.
The product is broken.
You can say, this item is broken. Can I exchange it?
Excellent.
One more situation.
You want to return something after 2 days.
You can say, I bought this 2 days ago and I'd like to return it.
Very clear and polite.
Remember, your tone is very important.
Speak slowly and clearly.
Use polite words like please and thank you.
And don't be afraid to ask questions.
Shopping problems are normal.
And now you know how to handle them in English.
Practice these sentences before you go shopping.
Next time there's a small problem, you'll feel ready.
Real-life English makes you more confident every day.
And confidence makes shopping much less stressful.
Now, let's talk about sounding more natural while shopping.
Yes, not only asking questions, but also making small talk.
Small talk makes your English sound more friendly.
And it helps you feel more confident.
For example, when you enter a store, you can say, it's very busy today.
Or, this store looks amazing.
These small comments start friendly communication.
Shop assistants are people too.
Yes, they appreciate kindness.
If the store is crowded, you can say, you must be very busy today.
That sounds polite and natural.
If they help you find something, you can say, thank you for your help.
Or, I really appreciate it.
That sounds more advanced and polite.
Let's practice a friendly conversation.
Hello, can I help you?
Yes, I'm looking for a jacket. It's getting colder these days.
Yes, the weather changed quickly.
Exactly. I wasn't ready for it.
See how we added small talk about the weather?
That makes the conversation warmer.
Now let's talk about giving opinions.
When you try something on, you can say, I like this color.
Or, I'm not sure about this style.
If you need advice, you can ask, what do you think?
That invites the shop assistant into the conversation.
Now let's practice that.
Do you think this suits me?
That's a very natural sentence.
Another situation is when you are waiting in line.
You can make small talk with the person next to you.
For example, the line is quite long today.
Or, I think everyone is shopping today.
Keep it light and simple.
Now let's do a mini activity.
I will say a sentence, and you make it more friendly.
The jacket is nice.
You can say, this jacket is really nice. I love the design.
Good.
The store is big.
You can say, this store is huge. There are so many choices.
Excellent.
Adding small extra words makes your English richer.
But keep it simple and natural.
Another tip is using polite expressions.
For example, could you help me please?
Or, would it be possible to check the price?
Those sentences sound very polite.
Now let's practice reacting naturally.
If the price is good, you can say, that's a great deal.
Or, that's a good price.
If something is expensive, you can say, it's a bit over my budget.
That sounds softer than saying it's too expensive.
Very good point.
Another natural phrase is, I'll think about it.
That's perfect when you don't want to buy right away.
And if you decide to buy, you can say, I'll take it.
Short and confident.
Let's practice a longer, friendly role play.
Hi, can I help you?
Yes, I'm looking for a gift for my friend.
What kind of gift are you thinking about?
Maybe something simple but meaningful.
How about this notebook?
Oh, that's lovely. I think she'll like it.
See how we added feeling and opinion?
That makes the conversation sound real.
Remember, shopping English is not only about buying.
It's about communicating clearly and kindly.
Use simple sentences with confidence.
Add small comments and reactions.
And always stay polite.
The more you practice, the more natural you will sound.
And one day, shopping in English will feel completely normal.
Maybe even fun.
Especially when there's a discount.
Yes, everyone loves a discount.
Keep practicing daily English.
Because daily life is the best place to improve. Wow, Tom, we covered so many useful shopping sentences today.
Yes, from asking about items to making friendly small talk.
And we also practiced mini role plays and activities together.
Remember, even small sentences can make shopping easier in English.
The key is to be polite, curious, and confident.
And don't worry about mistakes. Everyone makes them.
Yes, your kindness and smile matter more than perfect English.
Try to add small comments, reactions, or opinions while shopping.
That makes your English sound natural and friendly.
And remember the activities we practiced, like friendly small talk and one more question.
These will help you feel confident next time you go to a store.
Also, speaking slowly and clearly will help a lot.
And listening carefully shows that you are polite and friendly.
Every conversation, even in a shop, is a chance to practice English.
Small practice every day makes big improvement over time.
You never know when a simple question can turn into a fun conversation.
So next time you shop, try at least one English sentence.
And add a friendly comment or reaction.
Even one sentence is a step forward.
And remember, confidence grows with practice.
Another tip is to practice with friends before going to a store.
Role-playing makes you feel less nervous.
And remember, even if someone answers quickly, you can repeat your sentence slowly.
Take your time, speak clearly, and don't worry.
Shopping conversations are short, but they're excellent practice for real life.
And each small conversation builds your confidence in English.
If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe to English Learner Podcast.
Yes, subscribe now and join us every week for more fun, practical, and easy English tips.
Share this episode with a friend who wants to practice English too.
Practice together and you'll feel more confident.
Remember, every small sentence counts.
And every time you speak, your English becomes stronger.
Keep practicing, stay curious, and enjoy every conversation.
Even a short chat in a shop is a step forward.
And the more you practice, the easier English in daily life will feel.
Keep smiling, keep speaking, and don't be afraid to make mistakes.
Because mistakes are part of learning.
Yes, they make you better every time.
Thank you for listening today.
We hope you had fun, learned new things, and feel ready to use English in real shopping situations.
Remember, your English is growing with every conversation.
And each sentence you speak brings you closer to fluency.
See you next time on English Learner Podcast.
Bye, everyone.